Hello, today I want to show you how to cook rice field Prohour soup.
What ingredient that we have to cook?
Ingredients that we have: amaranth greens, taro, waxcot, pumpkins, mushroom, lemon basil, tofu, Chinese cheese, garlic, salt, soy sauce, and lemongrass leaf.
What we gonna do next?
Next, we turn on the fire. Water is really hot. Next, we need to put the Chinese cheese and garlic. We put the lemongrass leaf. And then we add the pumpkins, and taro too, because it is hard. After the pumpkin and taro getting soft, we need to add the mushroom. And waxcot. And then we need to add the tofu. And then we need to add the amaranth greens. So can you pass the amaranth green for me? Thank you. The vegetable is cooked, and then we need to add the salt, and soy sauce. Now it is cooked, and then we need to turn off the fire. And we need to add the lemon basil. Now it is cooked, we need to serving in the bowl.
Oh, smells so good.
Yes, I like it. The rice field Prohour soup is cooked. I hope you make it at home. Thank you for watching.